Have you received a location on WhatsApp but don't know how to open it in Google Maps? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in less than 1 minute. First, open WhatsApp and find the chat that contains the shared location. Tap on the location message to open the map preview. Once the location is open, look for the directions button or the option that says Open in Maps. Depending on your device, this may appear at the bottom of the screen or in the menu options. Tap Open in Google Maps. If Google Maps is installed on your phone, the location will automatically open inside the app. You can now start navigation, view traffic conditions, save the location, or share it with someone else. And that's it. Now you know how to open any WhatsApp location directly in Google Maps. If this video helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick and easy tech tutorials.